This altcoin has just pumped 1,500%, Twitter is rebranding its social media platform, and is Dogecoin going to the moon? This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter, Altcoin Buzz.io, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Bitcoin enters the last full week of July on uncertain footing as $30,000 becomes resistance. In what promises to be an exciting but perhaps nerve-wracking week for traders, Bitcoin price action is staring down a combination of volatility triggers. Chief among them is the United States Federal Reserve's decision on interest rates. Some hope that these alone will be enough to shake Bitcoin out of its month-long trading range, in which it's barely moved from the $30,000 mark. Bitcoin delivered a classic volatility burst into the weekly close, giving bulls a glimpse of the $30,000 support potentially returning. That was short-lived, however, and overnight price action was weaker still. At the time of writing, Bitcoin was heading towards $29,000. The Fed's FOMC will meet on July 26 to decide how far, if at all, to raise benchmark interest rates. Markets have little doubt that a hike is to come, unlike last month. According to the latest data from the CME Group's FedWatch tool, the odds of that occurring currently stand at 99.8%. Financial commentary resource that Kobayashi later wrote in part of its Twitter summary saying, "Nothing like an action-packed week in the markets, 20% of S&P 500 companies reporting earnings, along with a Fed meeting and inflation data to top it all off. After a couple weeks of low volatility, things should be getting interesting this week. It's a great week to be a trader." Social media platform Twitter officially rebranded to X after months of teasing by its former CEO, Elon Musk. The rebranding saw the popular social media app ditch its recognizable bird logo and replace it with a simple X. The rebranding also saw the social media app change its color scheme from blue to black. As part of the rebranding, Twitter's URL was changed to x.com, a domain linked to Elon Musk's 1999 financial services startup, which was sold to PayPal. X.com was an early online bank, and the company was initially funded by Musk and Greg Corey, who went on to fund Musk's later ventures, Tesla and SpaceX. Musk uses the letter X in several of his business interests, including SpaceX and Tesla car models. Musk established X Corp in March as the parent company of Twitter, making way for Twitter's rebranding. The rebranding is part of Musk's vision to create a super app with multiple functionalities. In April, Twitter introduced a new feature that allowed app users to access the crypto market and other financial market services from within the app. Elon's tenure as the head of Twitter was controversial from the start. However, his plans to transform Twitter began long before the takeover. In a recent interview, Elon reiterated that the main move behind his rebranding to X was to create an everything app, a concept popular in China. Chinese social media applications such as WeChat are used for text and video calls and have provisions to pay bills, book cabs, book restaurants, and other financial activities without leaving the app. Elon said if done correctly, X could become a popular platform for finance, banking, payments, and data, and over time it has the potential to become half a global financial system.
Essentially, if done right, the X would be half of the global financial system.
Wow.
Or some big number.
Okay.
I'm not sure what the number is, but pretty big. So it would be by far the biggest sort of financial institution. But like I said, not really in the way that people are used to thinking about banks.
Mm-hmm.
Just the most efficient database for the thing that is money. Like I said, least amount of fraud. Everything's real time.
However, not many crypto Twitter users have been thrilled with the proposed changes. Twitter has been a stronghold for the crypto community, with over 1 billion tweets about crypto between 2020 and 2022. Others have been pitching their own ideas on how Elon should move ahead with X. The Axie Infinity co-founder said to keep the Twitter name, but to add a crypto wallet called X to allow users to spend and tip platform creators. Meanwhile, in a July 23rd tweet, Twitter CEO Linda Yaccarino added more clues about X, saying it would have unlimited interactivity, support multiple media formats, and feature payments and banking, a feature that Musk has reportedly said he wants to support crypto. Without specifying how, Yaccarino said the upcoming app would also be powered by artificial intelligence, though Elon has previously said that AI would be used to detect manipulation of public opinion. Several crypto tokens branded X popped up on decentralized exchanges overnight, as Elon's Twitter started dumping its iconic bluebird logo for an X symbol. Scores of X tokens have now appeared on multiple blockchain networks. These include new tokens claiming to have a proper roadmap for the coming months, as well as tokens that are seemingly pump and dump schemes. One of them jumped as much as 1,200% over the past 24 hours, even though its project started in May, suggesting that low-cap traders were buying just about anything branded X in an effort to make a tiny profit. Consequently, Dogecoin's price gained 4% in just a few minutes, and the community started discussing the possible purchases of crypto on the rebranded platform. However, no official announcements have yet been made. The internet is weird, and a new website called Hamster.gg, which launched last week, proves it. The site claims to host the world's first live stream hamster races. Since its launch, the platform has rapidly attracted a dedicated group of crypto gamblers eager to bet on a fleet of race hamsters with catchy names like Popcorn, Buster, and Sparky. At semi-regular intervals, 4 hamsters at a time are placed into a custom-engineered racing straightway equipped with automated starting stall doors. Crypto gamblers with connected wallets can then wager any sum of Binance USD or BUSD stablecoin on their preferred race hamster. When the stall doors lift, the foot-long racetrack comes alive, accompanied by a soothing elevator music soundtrack. Winning bettors get a share of the pool of bets, with 5% of all bets going to the house. While the allure of striking it rich may seem compelling, there is one tiny snag. The races aren't broadcast live as they appear. Instead, the team of 3 developers pre-records the races. According to the platform's anonymous core developer Danny, this precaution is taken to prevent the possibility of capturing a hamster's unfortunate demise during the race, or a race that continues indefinitely if the hamsters decide not to budge. The team then introduced a hams token that rewards holders with a share of the house's cut from the losing bets. Danny and his team currently care for a total of 9 hamsters, maintaining that they are well treated. The price of the Ethereum-based token hams jumped 783% in a 24-hour time span. However, a new thread has come out showing how the hamster devs have been slowly rugging the project, taking out over $2.1 million and dumping on the community consistently. The price and interest has already seemed to wane as crypto Twitter is moving on from the weekend of betting amid a boring crypto market. Imagine watching YouTube and getting paid for each video you watch. That's what XCAD lets you do. XCAD is a social token and app pioneering the watch to earn movement. XCAD has partnered with some of the best YouTube influencers such as MrBeast and KSI. It has a base of promotional partners of almost 500 million subscribers, but that's not all. The great thing is they've only just launched the app. XCAD has huge potential as there's 2.6 billion active YouTube users. So imagine the huge market XCAD is penetrating. We just posted a full video about everything you need to know about XCAD and how it's the easiest way to make $100 a day, link down below. As the digital asset landscape continues to evolve, the realms of decentralized finance, cryptocurrencies, and NFTs are attracting seasoned investors and novice traders alike. In response to the growing demand for sophisticated yet user-friendly tools, DexCheck emerges as the go-to platform that seamlessly integrates advanced analytics and cutting-edge AI-driven features with an intuitive interface, making complex insights accessible to everyone. Altcoin Buzz is an investor and advisor to DexCheck, and DexCheck is designed to cater to a diverse audience, from experienced investors to first-time traders, by providing comprehensive analytics, market data, and trend forecasts across decentralized exchanges, cryptocurrencies, and NFT marketplaces. By leveraging custom-built in-house APIs and proprietary algorithms, the platform offers advanced features that adapt and evolve with the ever-changing digital asset landscape, without the limitations, downtime, or inaccuracies often associated with third-party providers. This unique combination of state-of-the-art technology and user-friendly design ensures that DexCheck caters to a wide range of users, democratizing access to crucial information in the crypto and NFT domains. And next week, they're launching their DCK token from BEP20 to ERC20, expanding to the Ethereum network. They'll be adding liquidity on Uniswap, enabling DCK on both BNB and Ethereum, strengthening their ETH ties and outreach. The world's largest crypto exchange, Binance, on Monday announced the listing of the World token, a native crypto of the Worldcoin project by OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. Worldcoin, or WLD, with a total supply of 10 billion tokens, grabbed the attention of other major exchanges, including OKX, Huobi, Bybit, and Gate.io. Founders Alex Blania and Sam Altman launched Worldcoin and took to Twitter to reach out to their followers, investors, and communities. They wrote, saying, "More than 3 years ago, we founded Worldcoin with the ambition of creating a new identity and financial network owned by everyone. The rollout begins today. If successful, we believe Worldcoin could drastically increase economic opportunity, scale a reliable solution for distinguishing humans from AI online while preserving privacy. Worldcoin consists of a privacy-preserving digital identity, World ID, which you can now download on the World app. After visiting an orb biometric verification, you'll receive a World ID. This lets you prove you're a real human and a unique person online while remaining completely private." Now, some were excited for this new coin, but many were very skeptical of it as well, saying, "Imagine scanning your eye in exchange for a token that is controlled by a centralized company." Up till now, about 200 orbs have been made available. The firm plans to make 1,500 orbs by the end of the year and add the option to book appointments as opposed to the pop-ups. Verification will be available in 35 cities in the coming months, and the app is available in 120 countries. The use of biometric data has raised eyebrows, but the company says it uses artificial intelligence to create unique codes that represent the scan and complies with local and very specific rules and regulations in each of the markets where there's an orb. For example, US citizens cannot get access to the token, but they can get a verified World ID due to the lack of regulatory clarity. Worldcoin co-founder Alex Blania said in a press release, "In the age of AI, the need for a proof of personhood is no longer a topic of serious debate. Instead, the critical question is whether or not the proof of personhood solutions we have can be privacy tested, decentralized, and maximally inclusive." So it's hard to say exactly how this will play out, but it seems with ChatGPT and AI, we're rapidly approaching the Terminator movie. But regardless of the verification, this new coin has a lot of buzz around it, and it's still good for trading with this volatility as it went up 1,500% since its launch, and our partners at Bybit just launched Worldcoin today as well, with a $165,000 USDT prize pool. To grab a share of the prize pool, check out Bybit Trading with our link down below. No eye scan required. That's it for Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.